Public Works crews are fighting high waters along the Illinois River.
In the past 2 days, crews have set up close to 2,000 feet of sandbags. Our reporter Janie Bowman is live at the riverfront. Janie, how are things looking today?
Mark, Shelby, the Illinois River here at the Peoria Riverfront is continuing to rise. I want to show you what it looks like right now. Normally right here behind me is a sidewalk that's totally submerged right now, and also water is reaching as far as these railroad tracks all the way up to this retaining wall along Water Street. Now take a look at this graph. Tomorrow morning, the river is expected to crest at nearly 28 feet. That's 1.5 feet away from the all-time record. The sandbags crews put out will help prevent water from reaching River Station and businesses inside. A spokesperson with Peoria Public Works says they're being proactive.
The wall basically can handle 30 feet. We should be seeing water, kind of splashing up against the wall. Right around the train tracks, just crossing the train tracks, that's about 27.5 feet.